In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your EBT cash benefits. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you need help understanding your EBT card and how to use the benefits that you get with the card, all you have to do is look for these two documents as they give a great summary on how to properly utilize your benefits. As you can see, you can find this one, the Electronic Benefits Transfer EBT Card Overview on the New York State website, and also this document, how to use your benefit card to get supplemental nutrition assistance program and or cash benefits. Both of these documents will help you understand your EBT card and how to properly utilize the benefits that you get. As you can see on the overview, they tell you that after you qualify for SNAP or cash benefits, you will receive the card, which you can use, and it looks like a debit card. It will allow you to buy groceries and other items with the cash benefit that you receive. Keep in mind that you will need to use this card at one of the participating store and locations that accept EBT cards. You can go to this website if you need to check your balance, connectebt.com. You can also download the app for Google Play or through the App Store. And after you are done checking your balance, all you have to do is go to one of the participating store and use the card to make a purchase. As long as you present your EBT card and you have the credentials at hand with your documents, you will be able to use the card to make purchases after checking your balance. I hope I was able to help you on how to use your EBT card benefits. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.